Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you measure distance on Google Maps. So at first just go to your Google Maps app. Now as an example, I'm gonna show you a place like this one and drop a location to it. Now click on directions. You can choose your location or you can choose another location, just like this location here. Now here you can see it is showing that it will take about 4 hours and 50 minutes and the distance is about 232 kilometers. If you go through bike, just click on it and here you can see it will take about 4 hours and 29 minutes and the distance is much less than the other one. It is about 195 kilometers. There is no train in this route, so you cannot take train. And if you choose to walk in this route, it will take about 1 day and 17 hours. So guys, that's how you can measure the distance on Google Maps. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.